If she tells you something she rarely tells anyone, you're not just there, you matter. Maybe you've seen it. A casual chat slows down, her voice drops, and she says, "I don't tell people this." That pause is the signal. She's not chasing attention, she's choosing trust. Most people share the highlight reel. They give jokes, updates, and safe topics. But real connection begins when someone hands you an unpolished truth and watches how you handle it. Today on Stoic Mind Factory, we're unpacking 5 things she might share that quietly say, "You're important to me." Isn't there a deeper layer to every sign? If you only hear the words, you can miss the meaning. Have you ever felt a conversation get serious and wondered what you should do next? Stay with me, because the last sign is the one most men misunderstand. Point 1. Her fears and insecurities. When she admits what scares her, or where she feels not enough, she's handing you something fragile. That isn't weakness, it's courage. She's testing whether you will protect her dignity or turn it into a weapon later. Your job isn't to lecture or fix, it's to listen without flinching. Trust grows where judgment doesn't live. Point 2. Her childhood memories. When she shares early stories, happy, painful, or complicated, she's letting you meet the version of her that existed before the world taught her to guard herself. Our past shapes our reflexes. So when she talks about family traditions, first crushes, or rough seasons, she's offering context, not entertainment. Ask one gentle follow-up, then be quiet. Can you hear what she's really asking? Will you understand me? Point 3. Her dreams and aspirations. Listen for the moment she talks about what she wants to build. These aren't casual thoughts. They're her blueprint for tomorrow: career goals, personal growth, the lifestyle she imagines, and the values she wants around her. When she shares that blueprint with you, she's inviting your voice into her future. Encourage the dream, and you encourage her. Point 4. Her vulnerabilities in love. If she speaks about heartbreak, betrayal, or times love felt impossible, she's not trying to make you feel guilty. She's explaining the scars behind her boundaries. This is her way of saying, handle my heart with care. Don't interrogate her past. Don't compete with it. Show consistency now, and you give her a reason to relax. Point 5. Her real-time emotions. Some people talk about feelings like they're reading a report, but when she tells you in the moment, "I'm overwhelmed," "I'm jealous," "I'm lonely," or "I'm proud," that's raw honesty. She's trusting you with the weather inside her, not just yesterday's forecast. Validate first, solve later. Ask, "What do you need from me right now?" What you do next decides whether she opens up more or shuts down. Safety is a feeling you earn, not claim. So if she shares her fears, her childhood, her dreams, her tender history, and her present emotions, you're standing in a rare place in her life. Don't rush it. Respect it. Be steady. Nurture it with patience, privacy, and follow through. One warning: don't treat these confessions like trophies you can mention later. Keep them private. A guarded secret can become a bond or a mistake quickly. And don't confuse comfort with ownership. Trust is borrowed and can be returned. If you want to prove you deserve it, do the small things. Show up when you say you will keep your tone soft in conflict, and apologize fast when you're wrong. Could she rely on you at 2 a.m.? Before you go, tap like if this helped, and support Winds of Thought for more calm, practical relationship insight. Drop a comment. What's the most meaningful thing someone trusted you with? Until next time, stay grounded, and remember, connection is built on trust, understanding, and honest conversation.